Today we're gonna bring a full HD 1080 webcam. We're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna test it out and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you guys notice, the cable is tether in. It's connected to the actual camera. The camera itself has a mount for if in case you want to do a tripod, you can do that. But then it has the regular access to the top of the monitor where you're gonna set it up. And these two are rubber ends. If you guys can see that, this is fully rubber right here, so it will get a good grip on either way on that part of it. Now, movable. This is movable up and down. It has a little movement in here, so left and right. You could pretty much move this and move it around your actual monitor that you're going to set up. And we're going to set up on this monitor that I have here on my left, and we're also going to set up the actual audio on it and test it out. So if you guys notice, there is a little cover for those that are a little worried, concerned about people watching you. There's a little audio there's an actual cover that covers, that shades the actual camera itself. You can see the mics, little points on the mics. They're a little camouflage, but you can see them in there, of course, and then close it up. And we're gonna set it up, and they give you a long cable, so you don't have to worry about working around this. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how well it works. All right, so right now we are actually capturing the device with a couple of lights over me. I have actually two studio lights. We're gonna turn off light number one first of all, and then we're gonna turn light number two. And right now I do have a fan over my head, so we're gonna try to see if we can avoid that fan, or we're gonna turn off the fan too. Let's go ahead and turn off. All right, so we're gonna start capturing in the audio, and not just the audio, but the actual visualization too. So you're gonna be able to visualize here. And I can close the actual gap. If you guys can see, I can just close it and reopen it. I like that feature. So that's a really plus feature for me, when you actually could just swing to the right and close completely your lens. So, but the audio, it's a little strong. I see it a little strong, so I might have to turn it down probably. We're gonna go ahead and test it out right now. We put it on full blast so you guys can see out of the box how it is. Now the quality looks really good. Like, yeah, I was able to change the lighting. Actually, it works better without the light. So let's go see if we completely turn off the lights around here to completely make it dark and see how well it works. All right, we're gonna completely turn off the lights right now, and that's the overhead. Now, I'm very surprised that the actual it's capturing pretty good quality. It's using the monitor light, but it's capturing really good movement. And we're gonna actually see if we could do a green screen test too on this camera. So I like it pretty much. It's working very well. We're gonna turn on the light again and see how well it adjusts it. Really good. So let's go ahead and do a green screen. All right, we're gonna capture a green screen, and right now the green screen is pretty good. It's actually capturing pretty good around the screen. I put a green screen. The only problem is that you do need to set up lighting in front of you, so I'm going to turn it off. This is what I'm talking about. Hopefully you won't be able to leak some of the stuff. If you guys see, there's a light right here, so it's the light reflecting from the back. So you are either going to have to be in a darker area in the back, or you have to have some front lights so it could actually get rid of that part of it. So overall, the actual green screen is pretty good. So let's test it out on other features, see how well it works in zoom. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna test our zoom, and we're gonna do a full screen. We're gonna choose the camera the zoom and say yes. You're gonna choose the camera, yes. So right now we are actually doing a test on zoom. Then we could end the test, but we could just join with audio. Then we could end the test, but we could just join with audio. A little bit blurry, but it works. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.